This presentation will guide you through the process of ordering Impact Windows online from Impact Windows Win. We will cover the website's features, preparation steps, the detailed ordering process, and what to expect after making a purchase. We will begin with an introduction to Impact Windows Win and its website, followed by preparation tips before placing an order. Next, we'll walk through the step-by-step ordering process, and finally explain the payment and post-purchase steps to ensure a smooth experience. Impact Windows Win offers a variety of durable, high-quality impact windows and doors designed to protect homes. Our services include custom sizing, installation guidance, and customer support tailored to your needs. The website provides a user-friendly platform with comprehensive product information, customization options, and secure online ordering, making it easier for customers to select and purchase their ideal impact windows or doors. Proper preparation is essential. We'll discuss how to gather accurate measurements, choose the right window styles and features, and verify compatibility with your home to ensure the ordering process goes smoothly. Accurate window and door dimensions and detailed project information are crucial before ordering. Measuring your window and door openings correctly and noting any special requirements will help prevent ordering errors. Select window or door styles that complement your home design and meet your functional needs. Consider features such as glass type, frame color, and impact resistance to customize your windows or doors effectively. This section will walk you through browsing and customizing products and reviewing your selections before finalizing your order. Select your product category. Choose shop windows or choose shop doors. Select a standard Florida size. If your measurement isn't listed, enter it in the notes. Choose gray tint or frosted gray. Optional low-E coating can be added for improved efficiency. Choose your frame color. Standard colors for all products, white and bronze. Custom color is available by special order: dark walnut, Arcadia silver, MG charcoal, white 2605, bronze 2605, clear anodized, black matte, Java wood grain. Choose configuration entry doors. X means single, XX means double, AUXXO means double with side lights. Sliding glass doors are XX, HEXX, AUXXO. Choose active door. For double or French doors, choose the active panel, the one that opens first. Select accessories. Choose lever handles, Nest Smart Lock, or no handle. Input your shipping address and payment details using the website's secure forms. Ensure information accuracy to avoid delays or errors in processing your order. Once your order is placed, you will receive a confirmation with estimated processing and shipping timelines, helping you plan for delivery and installation. Utilize our customer service resources at 954-495-2766 or email info@impactwindowswin.com for any questions or issues until your windows arrive. Thank you for your time and support.